Hey everyone, I'm back with another important video because I understand how frustrating it can be when your iPhone gets locked, whether it's due to a forgotten passcode, an Apple ID lock, or MDM restrictions. I always aim to bring you reliable tools that genuinely work, and today's solution is definitely worth checking out. It's called Passixer iPhone Unlocker, and it can unlock your iPhone or iPad in just a few straightforward steps. No passcode, no Apple ID, and no technical knowledge needed. Let's get started. First, download Passixer iPhone Unlocker from the official website. I've included the link in the description below. Once you've downloaded and installed the program on your PC or Mac, open it up. The interface is very user-friendly and clean, making it easy to navigate. Depending on the problem you're facing, Passixer provides several unlocking options. Here's how it works. Step 1. Connect your locked iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. On the Passixer screen, you'll see options like Unlock Screen Passcode, Remove Apple ID, Bypass iCloud Activation Lock, Remove Screen Time Passcode, Remove MDM, Unlock Android, How to remove Apple ID using Passixer. Open the Passixer interface and choose the option to remove Apple ID. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. The software will guide you through each step. Make sure your iPhone stays connected throughout the entire process. Passixer will remove the Apple ID and reset your device. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will restart, allowing you to set it up as new without needing the previous Apple ID. By using Passixer, we have the option to erase the iPhone via settings for old iPhones, working on iOS 15.2 or later. Start by entering the wrong screen passcode multiple times until your iPhone displays the message iPhone unavailable or security lockout. Try again in 1 minute. You'll then see an option labeled Erase iPhone. Tap it to access the Erase All Content and Settings screen. Select Erase iPhone once more, then enter your Apple ID password when prompted to confirm the reset. Lastly, if you've forgotten the screen time passcode, there's an option for that too. You can easily reset the time limit password without losing any data. What I really appreciate about this tool is how quick and straightforward it is. There are no complex procedures, no need for jailbreaking, and you don't need to be tech-savvy. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. More importantly, this tool is highly versatile. Whether your device is disabled from too many incorrect attempts, locked with someone else's Apple ID, or restricted by MDM settings from work or school, Passixer iPhone Unlocker can resolve it all in one place. It supports nearly all iPhone and iPad models and is compatible with the latest iOS 18. So if you're worried about compatibility, there's no need. This tool is fully up to date. So yes, whether your iPhone is disabled, locked, stuck on iCloud, or restricted by MDM, Passixer iPhone Unlocker provides a simple and effective solution. Give it a shot. You'll find the download link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Please like the video and must download the Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Peace out.